Hello, I'm Michelle Boyd Waters, and I'm the founder of Rethink ELA. I taught secondary, so middle and high school English language arts for 10 years, including for a couple of years after the pandemic. I'm currently a PhD candidate, and I am studying instructional leadership and academic curriculum. And I say all of that to tell you that I want to thank you for stopping in and grabbing my free all summer in a day short story pack. I want to tell you a little bit about how it works and then also about our curated short stories library. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen and let me find the right place. And it is right here. Nope, this is the screen. Sorry. All right, so this is the page that you should be on right now. It will look different on this screen because I haven't uploaded this video. Anyway, if you're already a curated short stories library member, please go here to access your resources. You'll find more stuff. But if you're here on the All Summer in a Day download page, then you'll see that we have two PDFs and a Google Doc version of the short story. So you can click this and you'll see a version of the short story, and you should be able to go over here. Your computer may look a little different if you have an Apple or a Mac, or if you have a different setup. This may, no, this isn't Adobe. This is Adobe Reader, I think. But anyway, yours may look different is what I'm trying to say. Anyway, you can download this and then upload it to your Google Classroom or Canvas. One of the things I want to point out is sometimes schools get rid of the PDF that I've curated. And if that happens, then you can come down here to this Contact Us link and fill this out and tell me what page you're on or what short story you're trying to access, and that one of the PDFs is not working or one of the documents is not working, and I will go find a replacement for it. So that way you don't have to do that. And of course, if you want the Google Docs version, here it is. And you can just save this, go to File, make a copy, and then link your students to it through Google Classroom or Canvas, or save it as a PDF. You can do that as well. Save as a PDF, and then put that into your learning management system or LMS. So those are the printable resources. I also have a video adaptation, so you can copy this link. Just copy link address and put that on a page in your Canvas, or put it in Google Classroom if you want to, or you can just embed this in a PowerPoint or find some other way, whatever works for you to play this video adaptation for your students. There's also an audio adaptation that I like to give the audio adaptation to my students so that they can choose to listen to it through their headphones as they follow along. Either on the screen or on a printed copy. I know a lot of my students would like to use a printed copy. But as you can see, that's all I'm offering for the free version. If you, on the other hand, are a member of the Curated Short Stories Library, you can come over here and see that we have some more resources, including a lesson plan template. You can look for more short story ideas. You can set up a meeting with me, a consultation, if you want to talk about how you can use the resources, or maybe you've got a situation in your classroom and you're not sure if this story is going to work for your students, or a way that you could kind of help shore up some of their skills or their self-efficacy or whatever you need. Or if you have another question or concern, have again, the video and audio adaptation, also recommending a paired text. So there's a video and then a couple articles. I have some essential questions here that you can ask, some writing connections. I also have a unit that I created and spent a lot of time working in my classroom, and then created several resources, and you can get that for half off. And then, of course, we have the printable versions as well. If you find that the printable versions, if you click open over here and it doesn't work like it did on the other page, then you can come down here and let me know, just like somebody did a year ago. And then I found a replacement for it and replied. and or you could come up here and let me know through my help desk, and then I will take care of it immediately also, and email you back, and then also update this page. So this is what I'm offering in the curated short stories library. And I should have shown you. I meant to do this, but if you go over here to the short stories library link, there we go. Then you can see we have several short stories that you can access all in one place instead of having to sign up for each of them individually. And I'm continuing to add more short stories. So if you have any questions or anything about what I am offering, just let me know. And I'm checking my notes to make sure I told you all the things that I need to tell you, because if you're like me, sometimes you forget something, and so you have your notes. So yeah, no pressure. Use what works for you. If you're curious, there's a link right below this video where you can explore the library. I've got a tour of the whole thing that you can see. My goal though is to save you time and help students love reading a little bit more. If you need anything, let me know.